Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you love the look of shiplap, but you don't want to deal with having to nail or screw boards into your wall, and you want something that's lightweight and easy to install? Then you're going to love these faux wood peel and stick tiles that I got from COMSTICK. My husband and I are trying to spruce up the look of this loft in our warehouse. And as you can see, the walls that I'm dealing with are not even, they're not to square, and in some cases they even have holes in them. These peel and stick tiles handled it so well. So a couple tips for installation. You can get some air bubbles as you're installing. So I found it was easiest for me to start in the left-hand corner and kind of move my hand to the right and then down, and then that helped to eliminate air bubbles. I also found that these cut best with a pair of sharp scissors as opposed to like a utility knife. These bond really well. Just make sure that your walls are clean and dry. You're going to want to especially pay attention to pressing through the grout area. And after 24 hours, the manufacturer recommends going over the seams again and just press it to the wall. After 48 hours, this should have bonded really well, and I can say that it is superb. This is not coming off of my walls. I cannot believe how much better this loft area looks, and I was able to do the whole thing by myself. So if you're looking for that easy DIY project that is going to cover your walls and make them look awesome, you should check these ones out, and that's my point of view.